Hey, how's it going? This is Todd with Tom and Jerry's Boat Center. We're going to be walking through this Gen 3 800 from Makaira, and let's go aboard and check it out. This Makaira 800 is on a custom Makaira trailer that they build at the factory there in New Zealand. It's really high quality, same high quality that they're building in their boats. It's a nice package here. They got the electric winch on here and a battery pack, so it makes life a lot easier at the launch. This Makaira 800 has quite the bow to it. It looks like a fiberglass boat, but it's an aluminum. It's a really thick gauge they're using. It's got a 5/16 plate aluminum as the hull, and then 1/4 inch for the sides. And then you'll notice it's got this really high quality paint, and then it has flare into it, a bow flare they worked into it, which is very unique for aluminum boats. Just a very high quality build they're doing there at Makaira. Moving down here, got the rear of the boat. They've got this nice sea decking that they build into the boat, and they have it all over the surfaces, even including the swim step platform here. So you got a nice comfortable place to step on and off the boat. And then here at the rear, we've got the power for it. We've got this 9.9 high thrust from Mercury. And then for the main engine, we've got this 300 horse Verado, also from Mercury. Really nice power, big V8 engine, good power behind you. Jumping up on the board here, we've got this nice bait station, workstation. It's got a removable workstation here, which is good to get it out of the way. And then it's got a true live well, nice round live well there with a recirculating pump. Keep your bait live. Moving forward, we've got these really nice stainless steel flip up cleats that are worked into the top of the gunnel. You'll notice it's got the padding between it and the aluminum, so there's no dissimilar metals there. Nice feature they have. And then they're just a really high quality welds everywhere you look. We've got these built-in rod holders into the gunnel. And then of course you got your sea decking on all the surfaces here. Moving forward on the bulkhead here, we've got this really cool feature. It's worked in, this is a transom shower. So if you wanted to, rinse off or shower off back here, you have the option to. Really nice feature Makaira's doing. And then you've got this really nice big area that you can walk in through on your bulkhead here. And then a part of the bulkhead is this window, which actually is on a track. So this goes up and down, so you can lower this and have this open while this door is closed. Inside the cab, and plenty of room in here. We've got a bunch of nice features. Got on the port side here, we've got this table, a couple bench seats. This does fold down for an extra sleeper if you got some people along with you. And then a bunch of storage. We've got big drawers here that are all built in factory. And then right in front of it here, we've got a nice big fridge. You can keep all your stuff cold for the trip. And then of course, a big giant berth area here. Nice big comfortable berth. Plenty of space for the boat this size. I can sit up pretty comfortably in here, so it's a nice big berth area. And then you have your head on the center line there underneath one of the cushions. I always like to look under here to show the quality of the welds and the work that Makaira is doing. You can really see the thickness of the side stringers that they're using, as well as the weld quality, how they're fully welded, and just a really next level boat. It's built to a higher level of standard than anything around here. Here at the main helm, got a lot going on. We've got the Garmin package here, so it's got this big, giant, nice screen. It's a 16-inch Garmin there for your main screen. Lots of nice features. We've got the adjustable zip wakes here. Got a bow thruster control right below it, as well as a VHF. Moving over here, we've got our engine gauges. This is control for the diesel heat that's on board. And then you've got all your factory accessory switches that they give you here. Nice labels there for you. Nice bolster seat. I really like how they're doing these, so you can flip that up, and you can also stand at this station as well. If you prefer to stand when you're docking, get a better view, it's a really nice feature to have. And then of course you got your main engine control here, your main binnacle control. Immediately behind the main station here, we've got our little galley slash sink slash cooktop. So you got a sink there, really high quality sink they built in. Got some drawers. And then you've got a little, it's actually a little toaster oven here. So in New Zealand, they do a lot of like meat pies and things like that. So they built in a toaster oven. This thing actually gets up to 400 degrees, so you can even cook a pizza in there. Pretty cool. All right, thanks for coming aboard this Makaira Gen 3 800 with us. And we really hope to see you down at the Anacortes Boat Show this year. Come check us out.